Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. So today I wanted to update y'all on my aligners. I've had a lot of questions and this video is long overdue, but for a reason, so hear me out. So the main question is, are they working? And the answer is yes, the aligners are definitely working. But the reason that I haven't updated y'all is because the end of my treatment came around and I realized that I still wasn't happy with the way my teeth were shifting. So when Candid reached out to me to see how the treatment was going, I was very honest and I said that my treatment was nearly done and I still noticed that my teeth weren't completely straight at the bottom. And they, of course, said that I should go back to the studio and get another scan done. So this is called a refinement, and basically what a refinement is changes to your plans. If you have been wearing your aligners for the 22 hours a day and you have been following it to a T, then that is covered in your price. This is something that can happen even when you're doing traditional teeth straightening. Your plan can change because things happen. So for me, it's the fact that I never removed my wisdom teeth up top. I do have them removed at the bottom, so there's only so much that can be done for my teeth when I still have my wisdom teeth in. So we went back in, they did create another plan for me and another set of 9 aligners. So I'm basically starting all over again. Now that process was exactly how it was the first time. I did have to wait a certain period of time for them to create the plan and then for them to actually create the aligners and ship them. So currently today I am on step number 4. So I still have 5 more steps to go. And so far my teeth do look really straight. So I'm going to show you a close-up of my teeth, and if I can find the before clip, I'll insert the before. So how my teeth are right now, I could have definitely stopped my treatment and just kept wearing my retainers, which by the way, they did send the retainers 2 weeks after I finished my plan. This whole time that I was waiting for my refinements, what I did was I wore my last step from my previous plan so that my teeth didn't shift out of place. And I think it's really important to say that because if you have tried any aligner brand and you're going through the same thing, make sure that you are wearing your aligners as if they're your regular treatment plan. You do not want your teeth to start shifting at all. So that's the update, nothing crazy. I am not posting it because it's not working. I just decided to extend my plan because I wanted my teeth just a slight bit straighter. So I'll come back on my final smile reveal. It's not going to be anything too dramatic because like I said, my teeth are already pretty straight. I just kind of wanted to make sure that they stayed that way. So yeah, I will see y'all in another 10 weeks, I think. Please be patient. I really didn't want to update you guys with half information because at that point I didn't know how long it would take to get my aligners in the mail again or how long my plan was going to be. So now that I have all the information, I hope that helps you out. All of the links will be in the description if you do want to try Candid, and if you want to see the other videos, then I will link those as well. So as usual, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.